There were so many adventures that I missed, so many things in my life that I couldn't do because of my illness. I was sick with ulcerative colitis for 20 years, many trips to the hospital. I was in the hospital every 3 or 4 months. Ulcerative colitis drained me of the energy that I had, of really feeling healthy and feeling able to keep up with things. Not only was it draining, but it was very painful. As my illness progressed, I had more frequent colonoscopies to check to see the progress of the illness. My last 2 showed more and more polyps in my large intestine, and so that's when he recommended that I get my colon removed. That's when I met my surgical doctor. They remove your large intestine, and they take part of your small intestine, and they use part of that small intestine to form a pouch, a J-shaped pouch, to work as your large intestine would if it were still in your body. And then while that's healing, they put an ostomy bag on you for 3 months until you go back in to finish the procedure, and they take the ostomy bag off and they reconnect you. My surgeon was brilliant, and gave me a new life, essentially, by being able to perform the surgery that he did. My experience with my GI doctor couldn't have been any better. He really took healthcare to a completely different level. He was my physician for 20 years. I invited him to my wedding. He just became part of our family. I started noticing how much energy I had and how much I could do in a day. I started really seeing what it felt like to feel good again. I could start doing those things that I'd always wanted to do. I take my kids to their soccer games. I exercise every day. I take classes on some days and do weight training other days. I feel like I got to start my life when I was 34.